All right. Hopefully everything's good now. Hopefully. God. Jesus Christ. Give me 1 second, guys. Finally got everything working. All right. I think I'm all good. Huh. All right. Now I'm good. So the market's difficult right now to kind of predict exactly, we're in such a strong uptrend. The only thing you could really look for is confirmation of continuing that uptrend right now. So that's what I'm looking for right now. Oh my god. And is it giving me any entry? I mean, technically you could say this is an entry, but I just gotta wait.
Order filled.
I believe that's possible. I gotta keep an eye on once it grabs this liquidity up here, how it reacts. Gotta keep a close eye, see how it responds right here. Because we're still in a downtrend technically. Don't like that. I don't really like the strength we're seeing right now. But my higher time frames are lining up, so it's fine.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go to close that. It's not giving me the strength I wanted to see on the initial breakout. Not enough for me. This is the live account, by the way. This one's live. I have another live account. And then a challenge account is the one you saw yesterday. This account is my worst off one. So I'm trying to recover it. I'm very much struggling though. On this one. Oh man, okay. I need to get some energy in this. I'm so sorry, guys. I need to get my head in the right place. I'm just frustrated after what was going on. All right, give me 1 second. Oh, it's ads. I love ads. All right. I believe this is coming down. Once we grab this high up here, I believe that we will make a move down. This is just showing kind of consolidating right now. It's been such a strong move all day that I probably are going to move into some consolidation before 3 o'clock. Which, what a great time for me to start trading. Okay. Oh. This is the 500 tick, as you can see on the screen. Oh, music's back. All right. But this is the, I need to take this. Give me 1 second. This is the higher time frame. We're moving up. Showing strength. Technically, this was our lower low. If we confirm this move right here on this candle, this is the 5,000 tick. Confirm the move up. Look for a small retest down.
Order filled.
So the reason I'm taking a long trade here is we closed my higher time frame candle. We started showing strength. And I just need to keep an eye now because we have liquidity coming up around the 29,866. They can definitely tank this thing. As you can see, scrolling up right here. Oh. Can we make it up to where I want to see it? It's a key. Fuck, no way. I gotta exit. It just violated my entry. If this doesn't hold and break up immediately, I gotta exit. I'll take 1-to-1. It violated my entry right here. With my rules. Hi, we formed a counter inverse fair value gap right here against the trend, which is a violation for me. That means it's going to give a bigger retest, most likely back into this range down here. Now, it could move up. Like, since there's so much strength here, there's definitely a possibility where it could move up, and you get that confirmation by an almost instant reaction right here, but that's not what it was giving us. It's giving us consolidation breakdown. But if this does start to show a strong, strong green candle, or white candle in my case, moving upwards, then we should see a break further. I hate dubstep. It's close enough. All right.
Order filled.
Oh my god. Why is everything dubstep? I'm getting stepped out.
Order filled.
That's fine. I'm still up technically from the previous trade. I was just testing something. Testing to see if it would continue this move down further. Which you probably should not do. But definitely should not do. It's a new candle. Let's see if we get a retest down. See. Oh, actually, I don't want to enter there. I just looked at the... There's most likely going to be a further retest, so I don't want to be caught out there. I really don't want to be caught out there, to be honest. This account can be recovered. It's just going to be difficult. I think I need to start risking a little bit more on a very confident trade for this account. I have a few other ones. I have one other live and then another one that's about to be live. Here's the one that's about to be live. This one right here. I'm 1,200 away on that one. Man, it didn't retest as far as I wanted to see it retest. I could have gotten way more of a retest here. Shoot. It technically did. I guess it did retest in the area where I want to see it. I would love to see it grab this liquidity down here. Dude, I'm sorry. Like, the music options are really bad right here.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd
Alright, so how's this going to react here? Strength.
Order filled.
I'm going to take it. My worry is that we still can retest on this higher time frame, lower here. A little bit late of an entry too. But if we can get some increased strength. Oh, that's not a good sign. Is there news? Oh, I forgot to check something. Oh crap, I forgot to check my funded for. It's gonna violate the entry. No, it did not. It held the entry. Held my level. Valid. I don't like that though. Can we get a confirmation? Can we get the volume, please?
Chipotle honey chicken is back at Chipotle. Step into summer with fresh grilled chicken, spicy chipotle peppers, and the perfect touch of pure honey. Chipotle honey chicken.
Huh.
Taking heat and sweet to a whole new level. Back for a limited time. Order now in the
There's volume movement, but this is definitely going to be grabbed. And it's struggling to break up higher. I'll just wait. Too much weakness. Especially when we should be showing a lot more strength. I'm not here for these types of moves. A lot of people like these. I don't like these types of moves. Not right now. So I'm just waiting.
Hey Spotify listeners, it's Jake Shane.
Oh my god. The ads. But I still won't ever pay for Spotify Premium again. Oh god. This was the previous break of structure. Sorry, this was the previous break of structure right here. So this is the candle that held it. Right there. I do believe we could grab liquidity here. A retest could occur down here if it really wanted to, or it could just continue up and go straight for the break. I just wasn't liking how our higher time frame candle closed, is why I exited the trade. It closed red. So if we were going to show continued strength, I didn't want to hold something where it's not showing continued strength. So I'm just going to be patient. All right. So I'm on the tick time frame, so that's why it's moving so quick. It's 500 ticks for my lower time frame during New York. It's 5,000 for my higher time frame. It's 15 minutes for my highest time frame. The 15 minutes isn't really useful today. 15 minutes usually gives me more information in a different way, but it hasn't been really that useful. I haven't really seen any of my setups at all the whole day as well, because we've been so bullish. Like the only setup I saw earlier when I was trying to get on, I'm trying to find it. I guess that wasn't a setup. Here it is. Oh no, it ended up not being a setup. Take that back. I thought this was one right here. It was not. I took a quick glance. I didn't actually take it. So I guess no setups from today. Okay, here's the grab. We're going to move down from here. Most likely come down and grab this liquidity. It could hold, but I doubt it. Not with this rollover that it did. It showed this rollover where it tried to break up and then failed. It does break up. Cool. We failed. We're coming down. I'm kind of I have a high stance on this moving down. Not to this box down here. This is just my ideal entry, but at least to this area right here around the 29851 area. My higher time frame supporting that move down too. It's trying to hold. See if it's successful in holding. I want to see if it forms my setup right here. I wouldn't mind taking a setup here. Even if it's a weak one. I don't think it did. I'll say this. Any bearish engulfing red candle at this point, I'm going to enter on for a trade to the downside. That occurs before we break down. Oh, a lot of strength. Maybe it won't break down. Maybe I was wrong. Never mind. I could have been wrong. Come on. That's confirmation. We're coming up. Oh, yeah. We're coming straight up. Oh, well. If I would have held this, it still would have been too much to risk right now. Showing a lot of strength moving up. This is not an ideal market right now for my strategies, both of them. The only one that would have worked out for me is this one right here. But in general, it's not working. It's not an ideal kind of market environment for my two strategies. I don't think anything throughout the day, anything throughout maybe during open, it could have been open till 10:30 might have been something, but I mean, otherwise it's just been pretty substandard. This is where I could have seen something. Yeah, 10 o'clock for my Fibonacci strategy. Otherwise, I just don't see anything, and then right at open as well. It's very hard to read. Not in terms of I know it's going to go up. Very hard to choose a location where you want to take a trade that gives you a big enough risk to reward. There we go. Oh no. I have no clue. I guess I'm just gonna wait. Oh man.
Chipotle honey chicken is back at Chipotle.
Oh jeez. More ads, love it. I'm so sorry guys. I'm very low on energy right now. I'm just gonna be trading. I'm trying to get something going on this account, and then I'll probably call it. It's my own fault why we're in 2 red days. I've recovered from the first mistake I made. And then second mistake, I'm just trying to catch up. Okay, let's see. See, well, give it to me. Please, come on. Close, 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 close. No, no, my entry. My entry. I was looking for a trade upwards. Yes, let's look for discount here. I mean, we failed to break up higher, so I wouldn't be surprised if it... I don't necessarily think I would want to take an entry here. We failed to break up higher around this point. Probably take a sell position down to here, but I got to trade the actual trend that we're seeing, which is we have 2 bullish trends. We failed to make a lower low. We don't have anything on the left side here, so I don't think I'm going to enter any position here. Such a bad market today. I don't know why every time I come to this account, all the trades that I take that does align or does not, does align with my strategy, it just doesn't work. And then when I go to this other account, it does work out. Or my other, when I go to either funded account or the challenge I'm working, it works out fine. I just can't get this one to work out on this account. It might be more mental at this point, but either way, I don't believe we're holding this, so... Jeez. In order for me to take a long at this point, we're in our discount area. I would need to see this break, grab this low right here, and then break above the high, just changing market structure around at this point. And this would need to happen with this new candle. Because I don't want to see a change at the high when we've already gotten out of market structure, gotten out of my discount zone. Okay, there we are. Let's see if it gives us a setup. Maybe entering $50 here, if it gives me one. It is not. It's already way too bearish. I'm so good avoiding this trade. Change directions. Target area is somewhere in this box. Right here. Let me see where my discount lines up with this previous. It's not even a previous high and low. It's just forming a more bearish movement. We have our discount zone right here. Probably it's going to move a little bit further down. Jeez, dude. I came into the market during stagnation hour. There better be a power hour. I'm almost at the point where I would be willing to take a short position here. a small, very small scalp short. But I'm pretty sure this high will be grabbed almost immediately after grabbing this low of liquidity, or even maybe before. The high of this liquidity right here. Maybe it won't. This is the first gap it created, so potentially it won't. It would have probably worked out as a small scalp. Holding here. Probably would have worked out as a small scalp. Let me see if I could have gotten a 1 to 2 here. If I entered right above this area, like I was thinking about. Yeah, would have gotten a 1 to 2 on a small scalp. I just wouldn't have been able to figure out my risk reward quick enough, probably. Okay, we're coming up to an order block on the higher time frame. Right here. We'll see if we hold. I have an idea of where I want my take profit to be. It's a strong candle. Not necessarily where I want to see it yet. Sorry, let me make it visible for everyone. There we go.
Explore new ways to tune into your music with Spotify Premium. Smart Shuffle adds recommendations into your playlist to show you new sounds. Or you can make music a shared experience when you host a jam, where you and your friends can add songs and listen in together. Tap the banner to learn more.
Made that jump way too early. I did not want to see it make that move that early, but oh, perfect. It didn't come back up to the gap. That means it'll give me another chance if it grabs liquidity down here. Dude. I don't know what market I got myself into, I guess. Wow. Time is it? There's only 3 minutes left on this candle too. And how's the hour look? I need to look at this quickly. Hour's still green. So we could see just a larger temporary retest here. Is what's possible. Temporary retest at 2807. Grabbing this liquidity, continuing up is very possible. It's just not going to be any follow through for the next 30 minutes probably. I do see in my setup I'm going to still enter it around this area and then just target a 1 to 2 and not really trail at all. It did not show me my setup. That's fun. I honestly don't know. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know where price could be going right now. It's lining up perfectly now, I guess, to make a move higher. Come grab this liquidity up here. But still can't trade anything because nothing is giving me some sort of certainty within the market. It's just difficult. It's a new 15-minute candle. We are grabbing this liquidity now. Okay, let's see how this reacts around this area. This is what I want to see. We did grab this liquidity. This is really the one I wanted to see, but okay, we're moving up, showing strength. I don't think this is more temporary strength for me. I think I'm willing to take a short around this area. I think I am willing to take a short around this area. We have a bearish engulfing right here. We also have liquidity above it. I wouldn't be surprised if we grab that liquidity above it. This is kind of forcing. That's forcing a short, so I'm not going to do it right now. I'm going to wait a second, see how this reacts right here. A lot of strength coming out of an opening 15-minute candle here. A lot of strength. No, I'm just gonna ignore it. No trade still. I have by the way, everyone, for people who are joining, I have multiple accounts. This is just my lowest. This is the one that's struggling the most. I have a challenge account. I have another live account. So, this account specifically is struggling a lot. So I'm trying to recover it, and I'm up on the live barely. It's basically 2 break-even trades, but my last night I lost a trade, and then on Monday I just went crazy. I was revenge trading. The week before that, I was actually up a decent, a small amount, like $200, $300 on this account. But yeah, Monday's the main reason I'm in this hole. Sorry, not Monday. Yeah, Sunday night, Monday, because I do trade Asia session as well. Okay, so we are showing strength. We're holding.
It's like math. McDonald's is now introducing all new Caesar sauce, plus an even crispier McCrispy strip. This all equals a creamier, creamy snack wrap. Try the new Caesar sauce at McDonald's.
I mean, I don't know what to enter. This is just going to consolidate until 3 o'clock. And then we're not going to have any trade options. That's basically what's going to happen. And so my issue I'm having here is, do I just end stream? Because this is just not going to give me a setup today.
Lean into the sounds
I mean, yeah, we're bullish right now. We're moving up.
offline downloads, or play your song of the moment again and again with unlimited repeats. Get all the music without hearing audio ads on Spotify Premium. Tap the banner to learn more.
I swear there's been an, I'm not even joking, I think there's been an ad every 2 seconds.
If I were him, I'd bundle my home and auto and pick up the real victory. Save
Like, there's no way I haven't had an ad every 5 minutes.
bundling, Jan. Bundling.
Bundle and save with the personal price.
Give me
line.
1 second. I gotta look this up.
State Farm is there.
I'll get straight to the point. I found marijuana in the house. And while I never thought of myself as the type of father who'd have to drug test his kids, I'm willing to do just that if that's what it takes to find out who brought a joint into this house.
Dad, Lucy found something too. Dad, I found a joint in Mom's dresser drawer.
There's no way. I've had way more ads than that. Okay, so we do have a setup potential right here. A very minor one. Like, it's not a strong one by any means. If it gives it to me, I'm willing to take the chance on it, I guess.
Order filled.
Let's take the chance on it. Risking 75 to get 165. I have to do a little bit for fees and commissions. Is this going to be the breakup? That's the real question. Or are we going to have another retest down? I don't want to see any weakness here. This needs to break straight up. If this is going to be a move, it needs to break straight up past this point. I don't know if I absolutely like this. But we'll see. Nope.
Order filled.
Nope. It gave me my setup and we're showing strength. We just grabbed liquidity on top. We're still bullish, so I might re-enter in a second. It's just not giving me what I want.
Order filled.
Okay, let's try that. Half risk and then add in if it gives me confirmation. Or just let it move. I mean, I'll be honest, I'll just let it move at this point. I just was not comfortable with the risk I put on, which is my normal risk for this trade when it's not, you know, we're very bullish and we are moving up. It's with favor of the higher time frame trend, but I do want to see some sort of increased movement than what it was giving me. It's kind of stagnating right now, so there's always a chance of it coming down, grabbing liquidity quickly before moving up higher or moving lower. This is like a pivotal area. I need to see this hold exactly where it's at. I don't want to see a retest here. Don't like what it's doing at all. I'm gonna get stopped out here. Maybe. Most likely. We created a new higher high like this.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's unfortunate. Just this market, man. I don't know what's up with it for me, but I cannot trade it today. I probably just need to get off. We're retesting further now. And we still failed to break highs. Let me see. Here's a strong order block here. Sure, let's give it one more chance, I guess.
Order filled.
Oh, I see what it... Oh, I didn't see that we had this on this time frame. I think it's coming down for a lower move. Created a new higher high. We failed.
Order filled.
I don't know, guys. I have no clue. Came up, grab liquidity. Grab me down, create a lower low now. I don't want to die from 1,000 cuts. That's the worst way to go right now.
Order filled.
No, I'm getting
Order
killed by
filled.
1,000 cuts right now, guys. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna go ahead and end stream. I'm revenge trading now, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it and just lock myself out. We'll see what happens if it decides it wants to move in a direction. This is just not price action I want to be trading right now because I know what I'm gonna end up doing. So I will see you guys later.